You are kind of doing very much wonderful job. Like it's kind of very motivating and like very interesting, very informative for students, especially for those who are kind of who want to work in the research as their career options. I'm pretty much interested in doing research and these things. I would like continue this life as a researcher. I will probably join some laboratories like for and work there as a physicist.
Mm-hmm.
And I do like teaching also. I have two kind of equally probable things to go
Mm-hmm.
on. Like
Mm-hmm.
I can join some academia. Like I can work as a physics professor some universities and continue my research,
Yeah.
or whether I can join some research laboratories to work as a research physicist there.
Most of the PhD guys will have this kind of like goal or something. They will go obviously in academics, but it
Yeah.
depends on the individuality because some may prefer to go to industries also. So it depends on them.
So actually, the thing is, yeah, people do go in industries, but the thing is, like, we as a theorist, we don't have that much kind of opportunities to go in industries, because in industries
Yeah,
you have to produce the things, right?
yeah,
And if you are working in theory, then you don't have that much liability to go there. So it means like we do have very much limited kind of options to go
yeah.
there as a
Basically, in
theorist.
industries, they will be using the applied physics instead of basic
Yeah.
physics which you are working on. Yeah, coming to final question of today's talk. So, what best suggestion you can give for students who are aiming for PhD at your university or in your area of research?
Actually, what I felt like is there were many one of my like many friends I had who were kind of interested in doing PhD when they were in their bachelors,
Mm-hmm.
but then they moved to PhD. They kind of changed their interest. They kind of quit the PhD. So and this is very much horrible, because what happens, like initially we don't know much about PhD, and we feel like it's kind of cool to do PhD and
Mm-hmm.
going there. And but I would say PhD is good, very nice, but the thing is you have to be engaged. It's kind of PhD like, as a PhD, you are also the PhD student.
Yeah.
You know very well that being a researcher is kind of, you have to devote your life to the research kind of thing. Although you have life other than your lab also, I don't know, like PhD's life is really cool, really nice. And but if you really have the passion for research, you
Yes.
can surely join
PhD.
PhD. If you have slightly 1% doubt that whether I should join or not, then it's not a good thing to go there. Because this I'm saying because I had lots of friends who were with me at Banas in the university, and they are kind of equally well motivated as I were at that time. But
Mm.
they just kind of went for the PhD, and they felt like, oh, it's too much pressure, and this kind of, they cannot handle that thing, and so that they left the PhD. But I was in contact with people like who are kind of doing very well. Like
Mm.
they're in their PhD, they're kind of doing very well. They're kind of very much enjoying their life at the PhD student. So it's like you have to be engaged and you have to work very well. And the important, because what happens when you join a group, the main focus of the people are is basically kind of publications, that more number of publications you need to have. This is the kind of thing that is there in many universities. But the I think the main thing that you should focus on is basically your research, how well you can produce the results. I feel like you need to have a motivation for starting
Yes,
a
exactly.
PhD.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, because it's easy to get a PhD position in universities and getting a school when you, because when you get the scholarship you feel like, oh nice, yes, we are getting
Yeah.
the scholar. Yeah, but the thing is
We need to
the
continue that motivation till the end. Yeah.
yes till the and not all the, and not like, you have to continue that motivation. You have to be with that motivation for your like for your whole life. See, in USA, what I felt like, because in my lab that I take, I do have Indian students also,
Mm.
and I do have many students. Most of the students are from here, US itself. But what I feel like is basically the passion, the interest that the Indian students show in research is quite high. It's kind
Mm.
of, they are very much passionate. It's not like US students are not interested. They are interested, but the like the number of people do like from coming from India, that they are interested in this thing, they are huge. Yeah, that's all
The
I need to
main
say.
like what is the conclusion is that we should have motivation and should
Mm.
continue. We should not give up very early
Yeah,
in early stages and all.
Yeah, you would feel like you would feel like the things are not going, things are not coming in your way. You will feel like the results are not coming, and
Yeah.
you are like you are devoting life. You are like kind of giving 18 hours in the laboratory, and you are kind of like not getting the good results. It's okay. It's okay. It happens, because then when the result will come out, right? Then you will
Mm-hmm.
realize, oh, that's a kind of most satisfactory thing that you would feel as a PhD student, when you will get the results, or when you will kind of able to analyze those results. And so this is a and that motivation you should have, and you should keep that motivation for your entire PhD life and your entire life, I would say. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So it was very informative talk with you. So if you want to share still any other topic which I have not mentioned, you can share.
Actually, I don't have much to share, because you have covered almost everything that I wanted to talk about. What I felt like is basically, is to what students feel that what is the main reason that they don't want to continue the PhD, or they don't want to join the PhD, is basically they think like it's a like 5-year thing. It's okay, like, although it's a 5-year thing, but getting you are getting money to like support yourself. Okay.
Yes.
See, I am coming from a region that is kind of that not very much acknowledged for research. I
Mm.
am Because from Uttar Pradesh you won't see like people who are very much kind of very good in research. You because we don't have any much research exposure. This is the kind of thing that I want to kindle in students, is basically you should come in research. Research
Yes.
is very nice. You should you should devote your life to research also, because they just kind of feel they were kind of feel in their comfortable zone. They don't go through their comfortable zone. You should go beyond your comfortable zone, right? And you should join PhD, because you are kind of leading your community, leading your this thing region. And what they feel like, the government is not providing enough support for them.
Mm.
We do have enough support, but the thing is we don't know about them.
Mm.
We do have lots and lots of exams. There are many exams that students don't know about, that are called in physics. Like one is called as the JEST exam.
Okay.
There is an exam that is called as IIT JAM exam. There are many exams that are there, but students don't know about them. So they don't give those exams, and they feel like, oh, we don't have a support, so that we should not join this. I generally feel like this, because when you will see the percentage of people who are pursuing the research as their career option as compared to the other options, it's very less. It's
Yes.
very less. And it depends upon nation to like region to region, and it's kind of not good. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Shekhar, it was really informative talk with you. I hope the people will like this talk and share this video as much as possible. And thank you, Shekhar.
Yeah, at last I would say I also want to thank you so much for like inviting me and giving me the opportunity to share my experiences over here. And and you are kind of doing very much wonderful job. Like it's kind of very motivating and like very interesting, very informative for students, especially for those who are kind of who want to work in the research as their career options. Yeah, so I again want to thank you so much.